Hey, welcome back, guys, to another Not on the Whatnot series. And today we are actually going to be going over the perfection knot. Somewhat of an alteration to the Boland I am saying, but let's go for it. So right now you're going to do a bite in the line, getting that tag end, going over your thumb, boom, and going once more in front. We're going to go through this loop and grabbing this loop that we made with our thumb and pulling, creating the perfection knot. Easy to make, easy to take apart. As always, thanks for watching.